Hey guys, Jacob here with ePoolSupply. Today, I have Pentair's automatic water leveler. Stay tuned. I'm going to break this thing apart for you and show what it's all about and how it's kind of different from all the other ones out there. Stay tuned. All right, and we're back. So today, Pentair's automatic water filler. It's a water leveler. So most pools out there now have an automatic water leveler. This is going to pertain for repairs or new construction. To be honest with you guys, this might be my new favorite automatic water leveler. So I'm going to dive into this thing and show you guys why. So first thing, I'm going to open the box. Actually, the first thing, what I want to tell you, this thing comes in 5 different colors. Almond, light gray, dark gray, black, and white. Almond, light gray, dark gray, black, and white. That's what I said. Let's put it up somewhere on the screen here so you guys can remember what the colors are. Also, look down below. We're probably going to have links for you where you can buy it and the colors. So take a look below if you guys want to buy it. So I'm going to take the whole thing out of the box. Yep, that's it. Cool. All right, so this is what it looks like. So the way this works is you have your feed line from your house water coming into here, plumbs into here, this front line goes to the pool. So then if you notice too, you also have a drain line. So if you want to plumb this out to a drain, if your pool overfills, this can be a drain line, or if you have like an electronic water leveler that likes to sit inside here, which would be kind of dumb. It's usually for a skimmer, but it's just a bleed line. So what I want to show you guys, and comes with instructions, comes with a screw, comes with a water stop to plug this bad boy off like that. So this is like a Stetson style. We sell these on our site as well. We'll have links down below for these. This is the newest, most popular type of water leveler. It's kind of weird because usually when you see a water leveler like this, you see a big crock, like a big crock style water leveler. This is probably one of the first of its kind, having a slim line with the torpedo or the Stetson style water leveler. So this thing looks a lot like an A&A water leveler. It's slim, it's got the long pot, and it looks like the Corky, which a Corky style looks like this. The Corky water leveler is a long, skinny thing that's adjustable. Corky styles don't usually work when you have paver decking, porcelain tile decking, something that's slimmer than your normal 3 to 4 inch concrete coping base, because the A&A one doesn't really adjust very well when it comes to that, because usually you set this at the height of your bond beam. But this one, that's why I really like this one, actually has the side mount with an adjustable. So realistically, I can have this water level come all the way up to the top if I wanted to. And if it was a Corky style, you'd lose this much. So I'm really impressed by the design of this. So what it is this will thread into the side here, and the float actually sits in this basin right here. So this isn't like a Pentair exclusive product. These water levelers are made by Stetson. Pentair might buy them from them, maybe. But if you guys want to replace it, realistically, it's like a $12 part. Super easy, threads into the side, and it's fully adjustable. So if it sits and threads in there, you undo the wing nut, and you can literally adjust how high and low you want that water level to sit. So this thing's really cool. I really like this. I might want to put one of these on a new pool, have a builder out there do it for us, because this would be really fun to try out. So again, slimline, adjustable base. So this will go on there, and it can sit perfectly to the height that you need it to sit at, and still maximize your height of your water in your pool, which is super neat. Comes with this removable lid, which is actually kind of hard to take off. You need almost a flathead if it's on there, because it's got just this really slim notch here. But it sits nice and flush. Your screw comes with it, because if you want to lock somebody out from messing with it, it sits nice and flush on the deck. Again, those colors that I mentioned in the beginning, throw them up here. That's what changes the colors here. But ultimately, guys, this is a pretty sweet water leveler. So that's all I got. I'm Jacob with ePoolSupply. Subscribe, like, do it all. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.